Hello and welcome to VFX Tutored and Fusion 9. We offer 3 levels of tutorials to help with your Fusion 9 learning experience: Starter, Regular and Plus. This is the Plus level for those of you who are looking for advanced training on chroma keying in Fusion 9. In this lesson we will apply everything that we've learned so far. You will see how to separate the channels from the green screen footage and how to combine them together in order to get your manually generated alpha channel. Don't forget that this is just a quick preview, and if you want to start your learning experience, then click on the VFX Tutored link under the video and jump into the course right now.
Up until this point, we've seen several techniques that helped us deal with the alpha channel in several ways. We've seen how to create an alpha channel, and we have also seen some of the tools that Fusion Studio 9 has to offer. And for that operation, we're going to use the color curves. Shift spacebar, we got the color tools, there is our color curves, click OK. And note between the two outputs that we have so far that the negative output of the green channel has holes where the color curves of the red channel are supposed to fill out. For example, in her blouse we have these polka dots that are black if we look at the negative image of the green channel, and in here the processed red channel have these polka dots in white. So you can see that if we're going to take this one and merge it together with this one, we're supposed to get something that is similar to an alpha channel. But there's a few more things that we need to do before we can actually convert and merge these two channels together. Right after the channel boolean, which acts as a negative for the green channel, I'm going to use another color curves that will allow me to continue and separate the black and white as much as possible. So there's my color curves, making sure that the channel boolean for the negative image here is highlighted. Click OK, and let's try, first of all, bring it over here. And let's try to create another separation between the foreground and the background, trying to maintain hair details as much as possible. If I zoom into the image, I'm looking at the top of the talent's head, I can see how exactly I can crush that information or try to maintain it as much as I can. And remember that when you do any kind of compositing that has chroma key, either blue screen or green screen, it is imperative that you try to maintain hair detail as much as possible, or any other detail that may get lost throughout the process. Let's click on Fit, and now instead of the regular merge, we're going to use another channel boolean, and this time we're going to maximize the red channel, as you can see it over here, and the green channel. So let's select the green channel, shift spacebar to bring up the select tool. There's our channel boolean, click OK, right click, let's rename it max red green, and we take the red channel output and just put it over here. Let's take a look at our result. So as we can see here, nothing had happened, but if I take the operation and change it to maximum and the alpha to do nothing, then we see how the two images that represent the red channel and the green channel are being combined together. In order to have these two images give me a solid black and white representation of the character, then I can try to add another color curves after the red channel color curves, the first one, and try to use another curve to bridge the gap between these two channels. Let's go back to this color curve and try to minimize it a bit. That's the result. And here the second color curves on the green, you can compare it with the negative part there. There you go. So together they're being maximized into this result.
Okay, so that's the sneak peek of lesson 4 in the Plus level. You now have the option to click on the Video 5 tab to learn more about your own keyer applying the new alpha channel. Or click below on the VFX Tutored link to begin your Plus course right now. We've made each course an affordable price point, and we've also bundled them all together to make it even more affordable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the little bell button to get instant notifications when we upload a new series of tutorials for you. Thank you and goodbye.